If you're searching for the best Hostinger coupon code to save money on hosting, this is exactly what you need, so don't skip this. Right now, Hostinger is offering up to 80% off on their hosting plans, which already makes it one of the most affordable and beginner-friendly options available. But here's how you can save even more than that. When you use my referral link in the description, you can unlock an extra 20% discount on top of this deal. That means you're stacking discounts and getting hosting at a price that's honestly hard to beat. And it doesn't stop there. You'll also get extra free months added to your plan, so you're not just saving money, you're also getting more time for the same price. Now, if you're worried about taking a risk, there's nothing to worry about. Hostinger offers a full 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try everything out completely risk-free and see if it works for you.
Just click the link in the description, activate your discount, and lock in your Hostinger plan before this limited time offer is gone.